Hi guys, this is Isla back with another BoCandy unboxing for October 2015. This is a, I think, $15 a month international candy subscription box. And out of all the ones out there, this one consistently tells you where they got it from. And prices. I don't know if the prices are right, but at least it tells me what country all this stuff is from. So, it comes with a letter that tells you all of your items. And they even add up the price at the bottom, which is really nice. And then here are all of my items. It's a full box. Okay, so let's start on top. Okay, BoCandy exclusive Parle Krack Jack. This is from India, and this is $2.50. This is the first time they've gotten an Indian snack. This is the original flavor, which is sweet and salty crackers. So, it's a nice package. Wow. This has 19 pieces, so you eat this whole thing for one serving and 310 calories. Interesting. So, I'm not sure what these would taste like. So, well, I opened it from the bottom, anyway. So, that's what it looks like. Looks like a baked cookie. Very airy inside. I wasn't expecting it to be so wafer-like inside with different layers put together. But the flavor tastes like a slightly salty animal cracker, but with a different texture, more crispier texture. Pretty good. Next we got Kasugai. I don't speak Japanese very well. Gummies. You can get 2 of them from Japan. They're $1.55 each. We have orange flavor and we have MUSCAT flavor, which, based on the drawings here, MUSCAT is grape. And on the back it gives you that MUSCAT is grape. So, that's nice. I love gummies. And I like grape and I like orange. I am going to say that the MUSCAT name just sounds kind of gross, but it's supposed to be grape. So actually, I'm going to open up the grape one. Strong fermented smell to it. It smells sort of like wine, which, I mean, I understand that's where grapes go, they become wine, but in a gummy form. Anyway, they're more yellowish than green. Gummy. They look like a gumdrop. That's not the flavor I was expecting. It's grape, but it has something else. That's an interesting, unique flavor that I don't think we have in America for our gummies. Let me try an orange one, because now I'm intrigued. Okay, these are orange. Oh my god, they like stuffed an orange in here. Let me get, I can't, there is no yeah, it's all in Japanese, except the weight and the flavor. I would say it's really good. Oh, wow, they helped me. If I want to say this is delicious, I would simply say a bunch of kanji pronounced Kori wa Oshideso. I took like a quarter of Japanese. But anyway, it's delicious. Just not a flavor you would normally get in America for fruity gummies. True, our fruity gummies all probably taste sort of like apple because I think they use apple pectin or something as the main gelatin and flavor thing, and then they add juice. The orange one tastes like an orange, not like artificial orange, and that's probably what the grapes are. I'm so used to our purple colored gummies in America that are grape, but these are green, and I think they taste more like grape. Just I wasn't expecting that flavor. So, good. You know they're BoCandy exclusive. This is Gyxa. I can't read. Nacma strawberry cake, and this is from Bulgaria. This is $2.50. Did you know that Bulgaria is the only country in Europe that hasn't ever changed its name? Since its creation in 681 AD, well, it should be BC, is it BCE? No, CE, duh. Because they don't use AD anymore. Its name has always been the same. Pretty cool, huh? I did not know that. So, strawberry cake. It looks to me like it's a, like one of those cupcakes, but with yellow cake inside, with strawberry filling, and then covered in chocolate. So, it looks like that. Looks and feels like something that we have in America. I don't know what I'm thinking of right now. It's mostly yellow cake with a small, very, very thin line of strawberry. And I don't know if that's real strawberry or not. Sort of tastes artificial. Not my favorite. But interesting. Now we have Milka Chocowafer from Switzerland. This is $2.75. It looks like a circle Kit Kat. I do like purple. Okay. Melty. So it says Milka on it. It's like a crunchier Kit Kat. The wafers are bigger. And better chocolate. Because of course it's Swiss chocolate, but looks like that inside. Pretty good. I'm not a big Kit Kat person. And then we have let's skip to the bonus treat. They ordered so much, so they gave me the Orion mini cola treat that I had in my last box. These were pretty good. They actually tasted like cola. But I'm not going to open them. I'm just going to bring it to work. And then we got a handful, 2 handfuls of Japanese flower candy. Flower kiss candy. I have blue, I have pink, and I have yellow. So let's do yellow. They are kind of pretty. They each have different flowers on them. I mean, each from the color. Let's hope that they don't taste like flour. Ooh. Yellow one is pink. It looks like a hard candy that, like, your grandparents gave you. Great grandparents, probably. Smells fruity. I'm not sure. It's fruity, but also has like a perfumey taste. They are the perfect palate cleanser between chocolate bars. And I guess they last a while. So, anyway. I'm going to end this movie here. And I'll let you know down below if the inside of these things taste better. Or taste differently or whatever. Because this is going to take forever. Anyway, thank you for watching. Bye.